Now, on Tuesday, the 16th of December 2025, South Africa was stunned by the shocking news that Warren Stock, lovingly known as DJ Warras, had been fatally shot broad daylight in Johannesburg near the Carlton Center building. Now, the 40-year-old media icon, celebrated as a DJ, a radio and television presenter, a podcaster, and an entrepreneur, was leaving a building he had been inspecting when the gunfire erupted. Now, the beloved broadcaster who first rose to fame on YFM and 5FM had also hosted popular TV shows, including Live Amp, and was recently fronting the reality series Ngicela Visa. Now, his sudden death has left colleagues, fans, and broader entertainment community in deep shock. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, law enforcement has confirmed that at least three unknown suspects approached DJ Warras shortly after he was leaving the building, approaching his car. They opened fire before fleeing on foot. As of now, no arrest has been made and the motive remains officially unknown. However, the investigators are exploring possible connections between the shooting and his involvement in properties around the CBD. A CCTV footage reportedly shows one suspect, described as a short man with dreadlocks, firing the shot, and another one in a security uniform present at the scene. Police are also urging anyone with information to come forward to assist with the ongoing investigation. And also at the crime scene, DJ Warras' sister, Miss Nicole Stock, spoke with quiet strength through her grief. She asked South Africans for respect and privacy during this unbearable time, especially for his three young sons, Ethan, Troy, and Kian. Now, Nicole passionately appealed to people to remove videos and images of the shooting from social media out of respect for the family's pain. Now, she also urged the public to remember her brother for the light he brought into people's lives rather than becoming consumed by speculations around his death. Now, since the news broke, tributes have poured in from across industries. Now, the Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture, Mr. Gayton McKenzie, expressed his sorrow, calling Warras a patriot who spoke his truth without fear or favor. And also the likes of businessman Mr. Rob Hessoff remembered him as the most loving, compassionate, friendly, honest, open, decent human being, a tragedy beyond belief. And fellow entertainers took to social media to celebrate his energy, warmth, and influence, especially his impact on broadcaster and storytelling. Mzansi Magic and other media outlets shared heartfelt words honoring his creative contributions and the joy he brought to the audience. Now, across other platforms, fans and fellow creative have echoed a collective sense of loss, mourning not only his talent but the vibrant spirit he offered to the South African culture. Now, DJ Warras wasn't only a familiar voice and face, he was a father, a friend, and a passionate advocate for dialogue and unity. His career spanned nearly 2 decades and his influence stretched beyond entertainment into mentorship and community engagement. As this investigation continues, what remains clear is the void his passing leaves behind, a reminder of how deeply he was loved and how dearly he will be missed. And also, may the family find comfort in the spirit of the Lord, that is about love and peace, and may the DJ's beautiful soul rest in peace.